Feeding season brings a flood of gadgets promising to make homemade meals simple. Choosing the best blender for baby means weighing safety, ease of cleaning, and how well it handles everyday purees. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Grownsy Blender for Baby. If you want one machine that steams and blends without cluttering your counter, the Grownsy Baby Food Maker earns serious consideration. Built for babies starting solids around 6 months, it pairs a compact container, roughly 4.13 inches tall, with a 4.17-inch outer diameter, making it easy to store even in smaller kitchens. What sets it apart is the elevated steaming basket, which cooks food using true steam rather than boiling water, helping preserve heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamins B and C that often get lost in traditional cooking methods. Parents get 2 mixing modes, automatic and manual, so texture can be tailored precisely as a baby's palate develops, and the same unit doubles for juices or steamed vegetables for the rest of the family. The bowl is made from heat-resistant Triton plastic, free of BPA, lead, phthalates, and latex, which matters a lot when everything ends up in a baby's mouth. A built-in sterilizer function adds convenience many competitors skip entirely. It comes packaged with a recipe book, making it a thoughtful shower or holiday gift, backed by a 1-year warranty and round-the-clock customer support. The one caveat, the handle and main unit shouldn't be submerged.
Number 2. BC Babycare Blender for Baby. Speed is the headline feature here, since this machine can turn fresh produce and meat into a smooth puree in about 8 seconds, thanks to its high-speed motor and 6-layer, 8-blade cutting system. That fine chopping action helps break food down into textures that are gentler on a baby's developing digestion. Tougher vegetables like potatoes or carrots do better with a quick steam beforehand and a splash of water, which is a small extra step, but one that noticeably improves the final consistency. Operation couldn't be simpler. Press the button to blend, release to stop, with thickness adjustable on the fly depending on how chunky or smooth you want the result. Build quality leans premium, combining a glass bowl, stainless steel blades, and BPA-free PP plastic, while a safety lock and automatic shutoff activate if the unit tilts or the cup detaches, reducing the risk of spills or accidents. The blade assembly stays secured inside the cup during removal, which is a nice touch for parents nervous about handling sharp edges. Cleanup is straightforward too, with a crevice-free design that resists residue buildup and a dishwasher-safe cup separate from the base. Because it adapts from silky purees to chunkier textures, it grows alongside a baby's feeding stages, rather than becoming obsolete after a few months.
Number 3. HEYVALUE Blender for Baby. This option stands out less for raw power and more for everything it bundles alongside the blender itself. The gift set includes 2 silicone spoons, a freezer tray, a spatula, and a recipe booklet, which saves new parents from separate purchases and makes it a practical baby shower present. The blending unit itself uses 6 sharp 304 stainless steel blades, powered by a solid motor, producing evenly blended purees with a single button press. Construction relies on high borosilicate glass and stainless steel, both BPA-free, giving it a sturdy, freezer-friendly build that supports portion control for batch prepping meals ahead of time. Cleaning is handled well too. The appliance is dishwasher safe, and the lid fully separates the bowl from the motor base, which keeps food prep hygienic and avoids grime collecting in hard-to-reach spots. Versatility is another strength, since it can process everything from smooth infant purees to chunkier toddler meals, letting families introduce their own favorite dishes as the baby grows.
Number 4. MYAYLYGO Blender for Baby. Material safety takes center stage with this model, built from BPA-free components, 316 stainless steel, and food-grade borosilicate glass. 6 stainless steel blades paired with a 260-watt motor give it enough muscle to grind tougher ingredients into fine purees, handling fruits, vegetables, and meats with a smooth, consistent result. Meals come together fast, with a single button producing baby-ready food in around 7 seconds, a real time saver on busy mornings. Safety features extend beyond the blades themselves. Anti-slip pads keep the base steady during operation, and the unit shuts off automatically if it tilts, which reduces the chance of spills or mishaps around curious toddlers.
Beyond infant purees, the blender doubles as a small food processor for the whole household, capable of whipping up soups, sauces, or blended bases for family meals, so it doesn't get retired to a cabinet once the baby moves to solids.
Number 5. FOBISABI blender for baby. Quiet operation is one of the more underrated perks of this blender, letting parents prep meals without waking a napping baby, a detail that busy households will genuinely appreciate. It chops, purees, and blends fruits, vegetables, and meats into smooth meals within seconds. And like similar models, tougher vegetables, such as potatoes, benefit from a quick steam and a bit of added water before blending. Construction combines a food-grade glass bowl, stainless steel blades, and BPA-free PP plastic, with a built-in safety lock designed to prevent accidental activation. 6 sharp blades paired with a high-power motor handle the heavy lifting, and the press-to-start, release-to-stop mechanism makes texture adjustments intuitive, even for first-time users. Disassembly is quick, and the bowl is dishwasher safe, with a lid design that fully separates the bowl from the motor base to keep the food contact areas properly sanitized between uses.
Each of these blenders handles baby food prep differently, from steam and blend convenience to bundled accessories or family-friendly versatility. Match your pick to your kitchen habits, storage space, and budget, and you'll land on a reliable choice for nourishing your little one.